Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. Blower motor fan, guys, if it doesn't work, what we need to check now, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram. Let's go ahead, open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side, this is your car battery. Right in front of it you have the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs here at the same time, lift up, it will open, and on the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So if the blower motor fan doesn't work, we need to check one fuse, one relay as well. Please, guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice that we don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here, guys, what we need to check specifically, we're talking about first we need to check the fuse for the blower motor fan. That's fuse number 13 right here. The relay for the blower motor fan is that relay number 16 next to each other. You need to check these two, guys, and always test them. Other things that can cause blower motor fan not to work could be bad blower motor fan. If you want to see how to test blower motor fan, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. It could be bad blower motor fan resistor. Often that's the kind of like the computer for the blower motor fan that regulates the speed. Often we see that, and if it happens, it may be stuck in one position, okay, only, let's say, or on high speed, or not working. And not very often, but we sometimes, guys, see the control switches, okay, being the cause for the blower motor fan not to work. But often we'll always start checking fuses and relays, because that could cause the blower motor fan not to work quite often. So, guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you, guys, for watching, and see you next time.